Chien Yu Hong Co. Limited. Established in 2003, the company now employs approximately 60 people. Dedicated to auto repair tools, accessories, repair tools, repair kits, with operations in Taiwan. Our customers come from all over the world, including the United States, Europe, Japan, Australia, etc. The proportion of United States customers is 50%. The proportion of Europe customers is 25%, and the proportion of other customers is 25%. Trademarks include OEM Tools, Lysol, Stanley, OTC, etc. We have a professional development team, and each product is the result of customer-driven design, thorough product development, and manufacturing expertise. We have passed ISO 9001 quality certification, strict quality assurance and control to ensure that our products meet standards.